Unlocking everyday English, almost there. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, almost there, a common English expression that carries more meaning than you might think. Whether you're climbing a mountain or finishing a project, this phrase is all about progress. Let's dive in and understand when and how to use almost there effectively in conversation. The phrase, almost there, implies that someone is nearing the completion of a task or journey. It's often used as a word of encouragement or to signify that the end goal is within reach, but not yet fully achieved. It's akin to saying you are on the verge of finishing, but there's still a little way to go. Almost there can be used in various contexts. For instance, physical journeys, when you're nearing your destination after a long trip. Projects and tasks, in work or study, indicating you're close to completing a task. Learning and development, while mastering a new skill, showing you're approaching proficiency. Remember, it's not just about literal distance, it's about the journey towards a goal. English is rich with expressions, and almost there is no exception. You might also hear, nearly there, a direct synonym. Not far off, suggests a small amount of effort or time is still required. Just about implies that the conclusion is imminent. Understanding these variations can add flexibility to your conversational skills. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, here are some tips to pronounce almost there clearly. Emphasize the most in almost. It should sound like almost. The th in there is soft, like in think or through. Getting the pronunciation right can help convey the message effectively. And that's a wrap on almost there. It's a phrase that captures the spirit of perseverance and the excitement of nearing a goal. We hope this video helps you use almost there with confidence in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, because you're almost there in mastering English expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.